Hello, people. My name is Lucky. Welcome to this new episode. And in this new episode, what we'll be doing is we'll be looking at the basics of HTML. Now, HTML is one of the five fundamental languages that we need to know if we want to create our own website. So let's not talk a lot. Let's jump into action. Now, what we have to do first is to create a directory for our files, right? It's the home folder which is going to contain all the web pages that make up a website, right? So I'll start by creating a new folder and I'll call this anything, so I can just call it Lucky. My name. I love my name. All right. Yeah, I already have another one. No, I'll say Lucky Daddy. All right, yeah, that's better. Lucky Daddy. I have a son. His name is Lucky too, so he wants to have the name for himself. So yeah, I'm Lucky Daddy instead of Lucky. That's crazy, right? Yeah, but yeah. All right, so that's a folder, and in that folder, I'll have to create some pages or HTML pages. So what I'll do is I'll not use any text editor for now. I'll just use a text document to see how simple it is to create a website by just having your computer and your operating system running, right? So I'll create a new text document. Now, this is a text document. You can see the type is text document, but we need to create a web page. So we need to change the extension of the file, and then it's going to be .html, right? And then I'll change the name to, so as usual I said I love my son's name, not my name but my son's name, so I'll call it lucky.html. So when I save this, it's no longer going to be a text document, but rather it's going to be a web document or web page. So let me hit enter, then this is going to pop up. So yeah, just click yes, and then chrome.html document, you can see the type has changed, right? So yeah, that's all I wanted to do. And then to edit this, or before we edit it, we can have a preview here, but the best preview is on the web document, or on the web browser rather itself. So let me open that and see how it looks. Check it out. This is lucky.html. It's the HTML web page. The lucky.html page has been opened as a web page, right? It was just a document, but now it's a web page. Cool, right? So this is just blank. Nobody wants to visit a blank page, so let's start adding content into it. So I'm going to minimize that, and I'll with open with Notepad, right? I'm choosing Notepad because everyone has Notepad. If you have Windows running on your computer, if you have Linux, I don't know what you're gonna use. If you have Mac, yeah, I've never used all of those computers before. I'm a Windows guy, so yeah, if you're using Windows, you definitely have Notepad. So check out what I'm going to do and just follow along. I'll explain after I'm finished. All right. Now, what I've done is I've created a simple structure of a website. Now, of a web page rather. Sorry, I keep confusing website and web page. This is just a page. I'm creating a page, not a website. A page and another page are going to make a website, right? So, in this page, you can see there's a structure that we're following. There's something like a pattern. We have it doc type HTML and it's being closed in, right? Greater than and less than symbols. I don't know what you call them. Yeah, it's been enclosed in those tags. I'll call it a tag. It's called a tag. I don't say I'll call it a tag. It's called a tag. Something that's inside those two braces, right? So those are angle braces. Ish, I don't know their name. Yeah, so uh, they have an opening HTML tag and another one, a closing. The same happens to the head tag and the body tag, but there's one tag here, doc type HTML. This type of tag, it doesn't have another tag that closes it. That's called a standalone tag. All right, so this is the first and most important standalone tag that we need to know. We're gonna learn a lot about standalone tags as we go through this course, but yeah, for now, let's just see this one, doctype.html. Now, I want to start editing this website, so let me do a tab on that so that it looks more better. Now, the head contains a title of a website. It's not just a title, there's a lot of stuff that you can link into the head, like CSS files, JavaScript, Bootstrap, whatever you want to link your website to your website rather. You can link it through the head. So right now I'm not linking anything. I just want to create a simple structure of a website. So I'm just going to create a title tag to contain the title of a website. Now the title is what appears on top of your web browser when you open it. Now what I mean is, when we go back to Chrome and check out this file, this is the default title. The computer sets it by default. It gives it the name lucky.html, but if you visit facebook.com, you're gonna see a Facebook icon, and then you're gonna see Facebook here and stuff like that. So that's exactly what we've done. Instead of having Facebook or lucky.html, we're gonna have my first website, because here I'll say my first website. All right, so what you type in the title is literally what appears in the title of the browser, right? So let me try to save that, and I should refresh the browser. You can see the changes happening immediately. That's one thing I love about HTML. I mean, you feel so proud of yourself, and you do something and then you see it happening. It's motivating, right? Yeah, I know by now you're motivated. All right, so let me continue. I'm gonna enter the body tag. Now the body is whatever we see in the website, right? This white space here that we have is the body, right? Everything, the pictures, the audios, the videos, the graphs, the documents, whatever we find on the website, it's found in the body, right? So yeah, let's try to put stuff into the body, right? So there's a lot of stuff that you can add into the body, as I've said already, but some of the most common tags that you can put into the body are the heading tags. So I'm going to use h1. H1 is the biggest heading you can have in a document, in a web page, right? So H1, I can say hey, oh, hey, hello, right? Yeah, I'm just introducing everybody and myself to the new web page. So yeah, hey, and instead of having another H1 tag, I should have a smaller one. Let me make it H3. My name is Lucky Daddy. I'm not Lucky, I'm Lucky Daddy. Lucky is my son. He hates it when I call myself Lucky. So I'm afraid that one day when he's growing up, he might watch this video. So yeah, my name is Lucky Daddy. And to make things better, I think I should do this. Well, let me move inside a little bit. I'm gonna create a paragraph which says, um, I am the father to Lucky Banda. And yeah, I think that's enough. I think that's gonna make my son proud one day. Yeah, I'm the father to Lucky Banda, right? So I've created a heading. That's a heading 1. It's very big. You're gonna see it when we open it. And this is H3. The headings now have a hierarchy from H1 to H6. H1 is the biggest and H6 is the smallest, right? So you'd expect the sizes to be decreasing as you'll be going up with the numbers from H1 to H6 rather, right? So let me try to save this, and let's see what the web browser will tell us about the new website. So I'm going to refresh that. Wow, check it out. You can see there's a heading 1 here. It's a very big heading. My name is Lucky Daddy. It's another heading, but it's not as big as hey. Hey is H1 and this one is H3, right? And then I'm the father to Lucky Banda. It's just a normal font of text, right? It's just a paragraph. It's what you would expect a paragraph to look like. So you can use these tags to create all the content that is present on the website. But right now, I believe you get a little bit of the sense of what happens when you see that Facebook page. Whatever you read, whatever you see, all the text content, the images, that's HTML. Now that's not hard, is it? So yeah, that's as simple as creating a basic HTML page. So don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button, and then if you want the notifications to pop up when I post a new video, click that little bell down there. So yeah, thank you. Hope to see you, not see you, but hope to be with you in the next video. Thanks a lot.